Hello students, I welcome you all to the number one YouTube channel Aveti Learning, which only works for your academic enhancement. So let's start learning. So now tell me, is my voice audible to you all? Then please write down yes in the comment box. Okay. Okay then. Thank you so much for your quick response. So now let me tell you that how can you join in our class live. Okay, so it's very easy. You just have to subscribe our YouTube channel Aveti Learning and then press the bell icon to get more notifications. Okay, so these are the rules of our live class. As all of you have known that you just have to answer the questions only which is asked, okay, and that should be only on the comment box. And don't chat with each other. If you start chatting with each other, then you will face problem while watching the video. And finally, it's a special request to all of you that you should have to make the important points, you should have to make the notes only after watching the video. Okay, as all of you have known that this is a permanent video you can find anytime from your YouTube channel. So after watching this video, you will watch this video again and then you can make your notes. Okay. So as all of you have known that Aveti Learning is the number one YouTube channel which provides you free online classes and learning resources, especially during this COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, here you can find a teacher who never asks for fee because Aveti Learning gives you live classes and that is absolutely free. Okay, so now this is your duty is to subscribe, like and share, and yes, don't forget to comment us. Okay, so as all of you have known that Aveti Learning provides you spoken English classes and coding classes and that is also absolutely free. Okay, so you just have to register your name in the given link. So here are the links. So the link for the registration for coding class is https://bit.ly/aveti coding class, and the link for the registration for spoken English class is https://bit.ly/aveti spoken English. So here you can see that this is the class schedule of Aveti Learning YouTube live classes. Okay, so there is a minor change that the coding class is shifted to Saturday 7:30 p.m. Okay, and the spoken English class and guest lecture series is as usual in their same time. And here you can see I am sharing a screen before you that so many students have already joined in our previous spoken English classes. So if you want to join, if you want to interact with our spoken English madam directly, if you want to ask some questions directly, if you want to learn directly, then what should you do? You just have to register first, then you can join in this class through Zoom applications. Okay, already 1500 students, more than 1500 students have already joined in this classes. Okay, so don't be so late and do register first. Okay, so you can join in our WhatsApp group now, and in that WhatsApp group you can have daily session updates. Okay, then interact with me, then means you can interact with our Avedi master teachers directly. You can ask them questions directly, and we are here to solve your problem. Okay, we are here to solve your questions. We are here to solve your doubts. Okay, and so many assignments and exam updates will be given to you through this WhatsApp group. Again, regular discussion is going on, and yes, daily questions is also you can find there. Okay, and you can check your YouTube video description through this WhatsApp link. So, students, we are continuing with the chapter prepositions. Okay, so in our previous chapters, we have an idea about a basic idea about prepositions. So, now we learn some more. So, prepositions can be grouped according to their functions. Okay, so now we are going to learn about the functions of prepositions, and they can be of prepositions of place. Okay, for example, by, beside, over, above, under, below, beneath, through, across, along, behind, before, between, opposite, of, towards, for, at, in, on, etc. Okay, so these are the examples of prepositions of place. For example, the cat is under the table. Okay, so where is the cat? The cat is under the table. Okay, so here the preposition under is used. Okay, then the book is between the ink pot and the chair. Okay, so in this case the preposition is between. Okay, so this mentions that the place of the book. In the previous example also, that is also described about the place of the cat. Okay, so here prepositions of place is used. Similarly, number 2 is prepositions of time. At, in, on, by, for, since, from, to, till, until, between, during, etc. So these are the prepositions of time. For example, it has been raining since 6 o'clock this morning, or it has been raining since Monday last, or since last week. Okay, so here the word since is used as the preposition of time. Okay, because it is used before the time. Similarly, third is other prepositions like means of travel, means of communication, instrument, agency, modes of payment, etc. Okay, so these are other prepositions. For example, he goes to college daily by bus, or we can say by car, by train, by taxi, by bicycle or rickshaw, etc. Okay, so here the preposition by is used as the means of travel. Okay. Now let's have an idea about the preposition of place and the preposition of time. So this is an example of preposition of place. The laptop is on the table. So where is the laptop? In which place the laptop is placed? So the answer is on the table. Okay. So here on create a relationship between the other words and it is used before the noun, the table. Okay. So here on is used as preposition of place. Similarly, preposition of time. And here is the example. The meeting started at 10 o'clock. So here you can see when did the meeting start? And to mention it, we use the word or the preposition at. Okay, to mention the time. So the meeting started at 10 o'clock. So here at is used as the preposition of time. So now let's know about the prepositions of place. Now let's learn something more about the prepositions of place. So the first one is at. At is used to show the exact point like house, station, village, etc. Okay. तो at को हमें एक निर्दिष्ट स्थान पे हमें व्यवहार करथाउ ठीक अछि फॉर एग्जांपल शी इज स्टैंडिंग एट द डोर माने बहुत स्पेसिफिक निर्दिष्ट हैला और वी कैन से she is standing at the corner of the street or she is standing at the bus stop okay माने कम जगह कम स्थान को आम जो दर्शाऊे कौन सी गोटे स्थान को जो देखा गोटे लिमिटेड जगह बा कौन सी गोटे निर्दिष्ट एक्जाक्ट पॉइंट जोटा केवल से ही स्थान को ही आमको जो दर्शाइबार अच्छी ताले से स्थान से क्षेत्र में आम कौन व्यवहार करवा एट रो व्यवहार करवा ठीक अच्छे Similarly, another example you can see, he lives at 95 Bapuji Nagar. Okay, so Bapuji Nagar is a huge area, but he lives at 95. So here you can see the house number 95. So it is an exact point. So here at is used. Okay. Similarly, another example is she works at public library. Or we can say he works at the City General Hospital. Okay, so here library or hospital, they are also an exact point or exact place. Okay, so in this cases, the preposition at should be used. Similarly, the train arrived at Cuttack. Okay, so the train arrived at Cuttack means Cuttack railway station. Okay, so the railway station is also a particular point or exact point as we have discussed before. Example is house, it may be a station or village, etc. Similarly, he is at school. Okay, or we can say he is at work or he is at the doctor's. Okay, so they are also an exact point or exact place. Okay, so here the preposition at is used. Again, here you can see he is sitting at a desk. Okay, or at a table, we can say. Similarly, another example is candidates have to write their names at the top of or at the bottom of the page. Okay, so this is also a restricted area, means a particular area or exact point either at the top or at the bottom. That means within that area. So in this type of cases, at is used. Okay. So now let's move on to in. In is also a preposition of place. Um, it has the idea of being within in a larger area. Okay. Uh, as we have discussed before, at is used in a smaller area or a limited area, but in should be used in a larger area. Okay. It also refers to a house residence when no specific one is mentioned. Okay. Just before we have discussed about he lives at 95 Bapuji Nagar, means 95 means the house number 95. So it's a particular place. But when in is used, there is no specific area. Okay. There is no specific one is mentioned. Okay. It refers to a large area. So in is used for places of work if they are buildings. Okay. So here is some examples you can understand better. See, he likes to spend the holiday in the country or in a village. Okay. He likes to spend the holiday in the country. Country means a big area or in a village. Okay. If there is any house number, so in that case, at is used. But here there is no specific one is mentioned. So here in is used. Another example is he lives in London, or he lives in India, or he lives in China. Okay, so China, London, India, America, Australia, Russia, they are larger areas. Okay, so in those cases, in is used as the preposition of place. Similarly, my brother works in a bank, or in an office, or in a factory, or in a shop. Okay, so this also mentioned the larger area, so in is used. So similar example, he lives in Bapuji Nagar. Okay, because Bapuji Nagar is a big area, so he lives in Bapuji Nagar. He lives in Bhubaneswar. He lives in Cuttack. He lives in Rourkela. He lives in Brahmapur. Okay. So similarly, stand in a queue or stand in a line. Okay. When this type of sentence is used, then here in is used as the preposition of place. Similarly, they are playing in the playground, or they are walking in the field. Playground, fields are larger area, so here in is used. Similarly, he put the plates in the cupboard. So cupboard is also a larger area, so here in is used. Now let's move on to the preposition on. So if the places of work are not buildings, on is used. Okay. If the places of work, if the working places are not buildings or are not big areas, then on is used. Okay. Similarly, he is working on a farm, or he is working on a rubber plantation. So here the workplace is not building. Okay, this is an open area. So here on is used. Similarly, on is used to express the idea of touching or close contact. Okay, for example, there is a notice on the notice board or on the wall. That means the notice is touching the notice board, or the notice is having a close contact to the notice board, or we can say on the wall. Okay, so if there is close contact is there, if there is any kind of touching is there, so on is used. So In our previous examples also we have discussed that there is a book on the table, there is a laptop on the table. That means laptop and the table, they are having close contact or they are touching each other. Okay, so on is used. Again, he is sitting on the grass, means they are having close contact. Okay, or we can say he is sitting on the bench, on a chair. Okay, or on the floor. But in the case of armchair, in is used. Okay. Similarly, he kept his book on the shelf. On the shelf means it is having the close contact with the book and the shelf. Okay. ଥାକରେ ବହି ରଖିବା ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ଥାକ ଉପରେ ରଖିବା. Similarly, he is standing on the balcony. ହେଲା, तो से कौन करिछि बाल्कनी ऊपर छिड़ा हिछि. बाल्कनी रे छिड़ा हिछि means balcony is not a building, it's an open area. Okay, though it is an open area, so on is used. When there is not open area, then in should be used. Okay, so similarly as we have discussed before, armchair, so armchair is not an open area. If so the design of the armchair is like this, that you should have to be in the armchair. Okay, so again, on is used to indicate proximity, means close to. Okay, so previously we have discussed about the close contact, but this is close to, means near to. Similar, see the example, he is sitting on my left or on my right. Okay, so to mention this kind of example, we can use on. Similarly, Haridwar is on Ganges. Okay, so the place Haridwar is on Ganges means it is close to the river Ganga. Similarly, the trees are on both sides of the river, means they are also having, means near to. Okay, means close to. Similarly, he lives on an island. Okay, so this is also not a building, this is also an open area. So you can see the water around. Okay, so he lives on an island, not in an island. Similarly, under. Under indicates a position lower than, it means directly below. Okay, under कहले तले अर्थात ठीक तले. You can see the example, the cat is sitting under the table. माने टेबुल रो ठीक तले बिलेईटी बसिछि. Similarly, another example is below. It means lower than. Okay, ता ठारू तले. For example, when the sun sets, it goes below the horizon. माने दिग्बलय ठारू तळकू जेतेबेले सूर्य अस्त होई जानती सेतेबेले से दिग्बलय रु तळ आडकू जानती हैला. So this is the meaning of below is lower than. Okay, means lower than the horizon. Another example is off, OFF off. OF of ର ଅର୍ଥ ହେଉଛି ର, କିନ୍ତୁ OFF off ର ଅର୍ଥ ହେଉଛି ରୁ. Okay, so off is used for direction, means off has the meaning from the surface of or down from. माने off को आमे केउ अर्थरे व्यवहार करू, from the surface of अर्थात भूमि रु कोनोसी जिंस उठेला बेले off preposition ର व्यवहार हुए एवं भूमि को जतबेले आमे कोनोसी वाक्य ए प्रकार व्यवहार करू तो से समय रे मध्य ऑफ रो व्यवहार करा जाय हैला. फॉर एग्जांपल, ही फेल ऑफ द हॉर्स. अर्थात सी घोड़ारू पड़िला अर्थात कौटी पड़िला भूमि को पड़िला घोड़ारू भूमि को पड़िला तो ए क्षेत्र में कौन व्यवहार होइछि ओ डबल एफ ऑफ which is known as the preposition of place. It is used. Okay. So students, today's this much. Okay. So there are so many prepositions are there about the preposition of place. We will discuss about this in our next class. Okay. So here is some homework for you. So this is homework time. And you should have to fill in the blanks with appropriate preposition. Okay. And the question is, she plays tennis dash the morning. Option A, at. Option B, on. Option C, in. Option D, by. Okay. So you just have to answer these questions and send it to our WhatsApp group, that is here you can see it is given, and you can ask us any kind of questions, any kind of doubts, any kind of queries related to your topic, related to your subject. Okay, so we all are here to solve your problem. So students, as all of you have known that we are providing you free online classes and learning resources to the Odia medium students during COVID-19 pandemic, and this is an initiative by Awaiti Learning. So students, today is this much. We will meet in our next class with some new questions, with a new quiz class. Okay. So till then, don't go anywhere. Keep learning, activate your learning, enhance your learning with the authentic learning, Awaiti Learning. Thank you.